Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this system of equations 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power y is equal to 30 and x plus y is equal to 3. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. From equation 1 we can write 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power y is equal to 30, or multiplying both side by 5 to the power x we can write 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x times 5 to the power y is equal to 30 times 5 to the power x, or this can be written as 5 to the power x whole square plus 5 to the power x plus y is equal to 30 times 5 to the power x, or 5 to the power x whole square plus 5 to the power, from equation 2 the value of x plus y is 3, so substituting the value of x plus y as 3 we can write 5 to the power 3 is equal to 30 times 5 to the power x, or taking this 30 times 5 to the power x to left side we can write 5 to the power x whole square minus 30 times 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power 3 is 125 is equal to 0, or considering 5 to the power x as a we can write a square minus 30a plus 125 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 5 to the power x, or a square 125 is equal to 25 times 5 and 25 plus 5 is 30, so breaking this 30 we can write 25a minus 5a plus 125 is equal to 0, or taking common a from first two terms we can write a times a minus 25 minus taking common 5 from last two terms we can write 5 times a minus 25 is equal to 0, or taking common a minus 25 we can write a minus 25 times a minus 5 is equal to 0. So we will have a minus 25 is equal to 0 or a minus 5 is equal to 0. So we can write a minus 25 is equal to 0 or a minus 5 is equal to 0, or taking this 25 to right side we can write a is equal to 25, or substituting the value of a is equal to 5 to the power x we can write 5 to the power x is equal to 25 can be written as 5 square. Here base are same, so power will be equal. We can write the value of x is equal to 2, and from here taking this 5 to right side we can write a is equal to 5, or substituting the value of a is equal to 5 to the power x we can write 5 to the power x is equal to this 5 can be written as 5 to the power 1, Now the base are same, so this power will be equal. We can write the value of x is equal to 1. So the value of x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1. Now when x is equal to 2, from equation 2 we can write x plus y is equal to 3, or substituting the value of x is equal to 2, we can write 2 plus y is equal to 3, or taking this 2 to right side we can write y is equal to 3 minus 2. So the value of y is equal to 1. Now when x is equal to 1, from equation 2 we can write x plus y is equal to 3, or substituting the value of x is equal to 1 we can write 1 plus y is equal to 3, or taking this 1 to right side we can write y is equal to 3 minus 1. So the value of y is equal to 2. So we can write the value of x and y is equal to, when the value of x is 2, then the value of y is 1, and when the value of x is 1, then the value of y is 2. So these are the two solutions of this equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.